Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you a very quick traditional breakfast recipe that I know you're going to love. Let's get straight to the video. I have 5 corn here. I'm going to go ahead and prepare my corn. I'm just going to remove the husk. So this one is worth $1. Yeah. I'm now going to go ahead and wash them up. So I'm going to break them into 2 pieces like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and add them to my pot here. I prepared a piece of ginger here. I'm going to go ahead and crush it up. I'm going to add it to my corn. I'll add some water. The amount of water depends with the maturity of the corn. Yeah. I'm then going to add some salt to taste. And then I'll cover it with one of my polythene here. And then I'll top it up with a lid. So I already lit my charcoal stove over here. I'm going to use it to cook my corn. I'm just going to cook this corn until it's tender. It's almost ready now. Yeah, I just need a few more time. So when most of the water is drained, I'll know that the corn is cooked. It's been a while. I'm going to be checking on my corn. And this smells so good, you guys. I just tested one here. They're ready. I'm going to go ahead and remove it and set it aside. So since it's still early in the morning, I'm going to go ahead and make some tea. Then I'm going to go in with my water, and then I'll add in some black tea. This tea is a mixture of ginger and black tea. It's a mixture of ground ginger and black tea. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this for a few minutes. I'll bring it to a boil. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of coriander on top of it. You can just eat the corn this way, it will be tasty too. Yeah, I'm going to go in with a little bit of black pepper and cayenne pepper to give it a little heat if you want it to be hot. Yeah. And then I'll top it up with a little bit of salt. So you guys, my breakfast is ready. I hope you like this traditional breakfast recipe. Yeah, it's one of my favorite recipes from the village. Kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my uploads. Check out my other breakfast recipes on my channel. I have lots and lots of videos, yeah, on a playlist on my channel. You're going to love a bunch of them there. In the village during harvesting season, this will be so perfect. Just boiled plain maize or corn with some lemongrass tea in the morning. Yeah, it will be so tasty. This is one of my favorite childhood recipes or food. Check out my two latest uploads, my omena recipe and my okra recipe. I know you're going to love those two videos. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.